Hey guys, what's up? So seems like Xiaomi is done with the Redmi Note 9 series and moving towards its successor, the Redmi Note 10, that is going to be a 5G smartphone. A new Xiaomi smartphone with model number M2007J22C has been approved for network access. It is being reported that the device will be powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 820 SoC. Now a new leak has surfaced online which reveals the front design of the phone. On the front we have the display with a punch hole on the top left. Now the Redmi Note 9 series had the punch hole in the middle, so I don't know why has Redmi changed its location, but some people do prefer it on the side. Me personally, I prefer it in the middle. Also, the renders depict very narrow bezels all around, including the chin, which is only slightly thicker than the top. Now that would be awesome to see at the price point the Redmi Note series is available at. Does that mean we may see an AMOLED panel? I don't know, but I hope so. On the back, we have a circular camera module with 3 cameras and a flash arranged on the 4 corners of a square. The phone has a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. The Note 9 Pro and Note 9 Pro Max both have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. But let's wait for some more information on the setup before commenting anything. The live photo of the device shows a processor with 2.4 GHz frequency that doesn't match with the Dimensity 820, which can go as high as 2.6 GHz. In fact, it matches perfectly with the 820U that Mediatek has just announced, or even the Snapdragon 765G chipset. So it's not clear which SoC it is using. But if it utilizes the Dimensity 820, we can expect it to perform better than the Snapdragon 765G. The Mediatek Dimensity 820 is an upper mid-range chipset based on the 7nm manufacturing process built by Xiaomi and Mediatek. It has 4 Cortex-A76 and 4 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2.6 GHz and comes with ARM's Mali G57 GPU, while the Snapdragon 765G has 2 Cortex-A76 clocked at 2.4 GHz and 2.2 GHz respectively, and 6 A55s clocked at 1.8 GHz. So you get 2 extra powerful A76 cores compared to the power-efficient A55s you get on the Snapdragon. The same SoC has been used on the Redmi 10X 5G and the 10X Pro 5G in China, so it makes sense for Redmi to include it in the Note 10 as well. The phone should have up to 8GB of RAM and will run MIUI based on Android 10. The Redmi Note 10 lineup is expected to be priced around 1000 yuan in China, which converts to around 10,800 rupees, while the Pro variant may cost more. The Pro model might come with a higher refresh rate display, NFC support and more, so stay tuned and I'll keep you guys posted about any updates on the same. Do let me know what do you think about the Mediatek Dimensity 820 powered phones. If these come to India for around 15 to 20,000 rupees, will you be interested in them? That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.